In this video, I'll cover all of the fieldwork reports. So we'll go through a report overview. When you click on the Report tab at the top, you'll see that there is a report listing on the left plus saved reports. And as you scroll through, you have three sections, the first being accounting, the second is operations, and the third is financial. Starting at the bottom, the financial will compare route, customer, and service profitability on a year-over-year basis. The middle section, or operations, will show you your email and text reminder delivery status. Audit Trail will calculate every action in the system and the user that completed the action, whether they created a new customer, deleted an invoice. It is all housed in the Audit Trail report. The route production is a detailed account of each route or technician's work. The summary will calculate a general overview on a daily basis. It'll total the number of jobs and the route production. Service appointments and the call list are detailed lists for your work orders. Service appointments calculating up anything in the present and future. Call list calculates up everything from the past, present, and future, and will also display location notes or service instructions as well. The customer list will provide you a detailed list of all customers, and the service location will then give you a detailed list of all service locations. So if you have multiple customers with many service locations, the location list will give you details on each service location instead of just the billing information that the customer list provides. The 5160 Avery label report provides all of your customers' customer list with the billing address in the format for a 5160 label sheet. Blank service ticket is just that. It prints out blank service tickets with your company logo and all of your information, and then there are state-specific material use reports for New York, California, and then a general material use statement. Finishing up the explanation under the accounting, you have your service profitability, customer profitability, and these two reports are for technician or sales rep sales commissions. And there are 4 detailed tax reports given what information you are looking for. And then the invoice list will have a very detailed list of all invoices generated in Fieldwork. Accounts receivable will allow you to sort by the aging period and print statements. The income and deposit reports calculate all of your payments. If you do not utilize Fieldwork to reconcile bank statements, then you can ignore the deposit report, but this report is specific to reconciling your bank deposits. Gross receipts is just that, it's all payments received. A few details on how the system functions. I'll demonstrate those in the invoice list. So our reports have some unique little customizations. Whenever you see this tic-tac-toe or selection box and you click the drop-down arrow, you'll be able to turn off and on the columns within that given report. So if I am turning off, let's say, the location name and the status, you'll notice the report responds immediately. And then from this point, I also would like to reorganize some of my fields. Let's see, I'm going to actually hide the billing email and then click the column I want to move, which is the amount due, and I'm going to drag it over and put it at the beginning. So amount due has been transferred from the back of the report to the beginning. So now I know invoice number, amount due. When you want to sort your report, click the column you would like to sort by. In this case, I'm clicking amount due, and you'll see a triangle. When the triangle is pointing upwards, it's sorting from lowest to highest. So I have the amount due as a credit because it's below zero. When I click this column one more time, it modifies the sort function, and now it's sorting from highest to lowest. Any of these columns can be sorted that way and grouped together. Also, if I want to review the report on paper, I can print the current format when I click Print Report. I can review in a CSV format that you can open in Excel or Google Sheets document or Numbers, or print a PDF view of this report. In all of our reports, you can also add filters. In this particular report, you can sort by or filter by route, invoice status, whether it's paid, unpaid, overdue, customer name, and or the county that the property is located in. Once you have created all of your filters, so for instance, I really only want to see unpaid reports, I will be able to save this report, and I'm going to give this a name of April 2016 Unpaid Invoices. And I'm going to make this report accessible to other users within my account, and I'm going to save. Now that I've saved my report, when I want to view that saved report in the future, I can do so by clicking on the Reports tab, and my April 2016 Unpaid Invoice report will automatically appear with my formatting. And any way I've organized this in terms of hiding columns or resorting the columns will save. On all Fieldwork reports, you will be able to manipulate the dates and view into the past or into the future, or just see specific dates. So today happens to be the 19th. So if I only want to see invoices for the 19th, I can isolate one day, a few days, a week, a month, a year, several years. So you don't have any constraints when it comes to the date function. As well as the date function, all of our reports total at the bottom. You'll be able to calculate quickly what your daily, weekly, monthly, annual totals are when you scroll down to the bottom of the report. Returning back to the report's main page, you will also be able to sort reports by branch. If you utilize the branch function, you will be able to select the branch that you want to view reports for, and all of the information will then filter that way as well. And that is a report overview for Fieldwork.